you guys can see that just fine. So this is the MICTUNING P1s RGB 8-gang switch panel. So opening it up, we got some instructions. Oh, I love when the instructions have pictures in it because I don't like reading. A bunch of options for stickers. I already see I'll be using that air, some of the light ones, the fan one for my override switch. Here's a few more packets with different things. Just looking at those options, there's all sorts of cool stuff on there. So, a ton of stickers. All right, here's the real cool part. The switch panel itself. Pull that out of there. Comes with some wiring. Now the cool thing about these switch panels is it really simplifies your wiring process. Here in a moment I'll show you what I am dealing with already. I'm pretty proud of the setup I came up with, but it was a lot of work to put it in, and something like this would have been just so much easier, so much less wire to run. The buttons feel good. Feels like quality. Okay, moving on. This is the box that I'm going to mount it under my hood. I'm sure you can put it wherever you want. And it's got your fuse and I believe they're constant state relays in it. One of the things that's new with this new design is it is fused on the power side instead of the ground side. I believe their old model was on the ground side, and I'd seen quite a few complaints about that, and that just shows that they do listen, and they've made some changes to make it better for us. We got some wires, a breaker, fuse tap, another power wire it looks like, hardware, a bunch of brackets for whatever application you have. All right.